Baby, I got my hands all on these curves. I'm talking to my wife, y'all. Relax. Yeah, but later, my wife's gonna kill me. Don't kill me, baby. I love you. I got completely sidetracked. I can talk about touching my wife's curves. You know why? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting back to work fabricating on my wife's 240Z. Now, if you didn't check out the last two videos that I posted, one of them I was building this 360-degree shrinker and stretcher stand. This is a foot pedal I just built for it. And the last video I posted, we went and picked up another Datsun. This thing looks like it got pulled out of a pond. So if you haven't checked out those two videos, feel free to do so. But right now, me and you guys got to get back to work on my wife's 240Z. Let's go. In a previous video of the build series, I tapered off the ends of this square tubing there and there. I did that so it didn't just abruptly stop. We need to do that on the top side here. And here, we need to taper those just like the bottom. Only problem being, up here, we got an area we got to address. We got some more rust right here. And then I need to cut the rest of this old floor out because I'm putting new flooring in right behind it. So we'll make a cut, and we'll weld that up. We basically just got a bunch of little areas in this section that we got to tidy up because my next big goal is I want to get the big section right here from basically right here pretty much all the way back here, not counting this section because I have to redo that once I take this rotisserie wheel off. But basically from yonder all the way up to here, I want to get everything tidied up, no more rust, everything final welded, everything primed. Because my next big goal is I want to get this underside. We can spray some bed liner up under this thing and have the majority of it sealed up and nice. Enough yapping, let's get to work. I had this piece left over from the other side, but I couldn't find this piece for a while, right? Well, I made the wrong side. I had this ready. This is like one of the only panels I bought, and I repaired the majority of the outer rocker on the passenger side with it. But I didn't need this section other than the little part at the bottom, which I didn't find out until later on when I got to sanding that part. Anyways, long story short, this is the side that I should have made, because I had this side that I could have used for the passenger side. And magically, this piece just decided to come out of hiding after that side's already done. But the area I have right here, I can still use. I can cut a section out here and use that to patch that section. I feel like an idiot. So I basically feel like an idiot because the repair that I'm having to do now, I should have had it easy right now. This piece was actually for the passenger side. I only had to hand make one. Now, I'm pretty much having to hand make two. The good thing is I already know how to do it. I've already did it on the other side. And another good point is I made my shrinker and stretcher stand so that I don't have to put the shrinker and stretcher in the vise and do it by hand. I can now use my foot pedal. Two pumps with the foot pedal. I need to put a lot right in here. Man, I'm glad I built this thing. All right, so we're close on the shape that we need. So now I basically need to make a piece that'll go in here. I left this side tall on purpose. I'll make a piece to go in here. Once I get this piece in here, then we can come back and trim this to the height that we need it. Working the next piece of metal, as you can see, It's got quite a lot of shape to it, almost like a S. I'm working that by hand. And that will be what goes behind there to fit. There's one spot I've marked with a little Sharpie and another spot there. As you can see right there, I have to repair that lower section of the fender. But yeah, so when I cut that off, I'll make that and everything will fit up perfect. Like I said, you can see the shape there. It's curving this way and it's got some curve. It's got like double curves. She got double curves. Baby, I got my hands all on these curves. I'm just kidding, baby. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's it, y'all. YouTube's done. It's over. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna get my hands on your curves. I'm talking to my wife, y'all. Relax. Just a little message to my wife. I got my hands on these curves right now. Yeah, but later, I'm gonna have my hands on your curves. My wife's gonna kill me. Don't kill me, baby. I love you, okay? I love you. And I'm working on your car. Anyways, we got the double curves going right here. And yeah, we're gonna trim them 2 spots. I got completely sidetracked. And I can talk about my wife like that. I can talk about touching my wife's curves. You know why? Because we married. We can do that. We can do that. That's all right. It's all right. They married. All right. Let's see how she fits. All right, so let's take a look at all these. I got like Lego parts everywhere. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I have one goal right now, one big goal coming up. I want to get the underside of this car finished welded, all the rust repair done, primed, seam sealed. That way I can, you know, spray a bed liner underneath here, black, nice. And to do that, I gotta fix a lot of little tiny spots, some touch up, some finish work. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what all I got laid out, and there's still some more to do, but I done ran out of time, okay? I gotta go inside and try to get this video edited so you guys will have a little bit of entertainment for this weekend, I hope. Yeah, so let's check it out. So I got the floor tidied up here, that section cut out, got it nice and welded in, welded there, got it welded there. That was a few spots. It was like 1, 2, 3, 4 little pinholes in the floor. What I did was take the little tiny pieces that come out of my little punch, and I used those with a magnet on the backside to fill it. Moving on, we got this piece shaped up. We got the piece behind it shaped up. Again, when I say we, I'm talking about me and you guys. We got this piece here that's going to take care of this section right here. We have these pieces right here, this side and the other side of this frame rail, to tie this in, and we will plug weld it to the frame rail. We'll plug weld it here, and then I will also weld it to the floor there, both sides. We started tapering the square tubing. You can't really see it, but we'll go back and weld the square tubing as it tapers to match that side. And then in the back, I fabbed up this piece. Remember the piece that we did on the passenger side in the little seatbelt area had a rust hole? We fixed that. We got this piece shaped up, used a template. This was the old piece that I had. And then going the custom route, I changed it from this to that. That way when I go in here and fix this hole, it's like 2 pinholes in this seatbelt little holder. Then we can weld that in, get that all tidied up. And then this piece right here we made several videos ago. It's held in place. I still have the template. I'm gonna make that piece for the other side. All the hard stuff is technically done. Getting all this cleaned up, fitted, ready to weld. So all I have to do now is I'll go through and use the copper weld through primer, get everything primed up, ready to weld. And then I'll have a big welding party in the next video and just keep cranking out progress. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I wanted to get more done and I thought I would, but when I found that piece, it kind of dampened my spirits because I knew that I was like, man, I'm gonna save a little bit of time right here and just be able to cut it out and weld it in. That did not happen. Does stuff ever happen like it's supposed to happen in a build? No. So I got a little discouraged, but we picked the momentum back up. If you guys did enjoy the video, would you do me a favor, smash that like button and maybe share this video with a friend. If you didn't already, go back and check out the last 2 videos where I made the shrinker and stretcher stand and a parts car, another Z. And this particular Z, it looked like it had been drug out of a pond. Resurrected Daniel from Resurrected Garage hooked us up. Yeah, it is what it is, but there's still some awesome pieces on it, okay? Now, that's all I got for you guys in this video. Dusty Mac is signing out. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.